Ah, the chicken. What a vengeful creature you are. Even after your death, you cause us humans to fight over your remains.
Where a man was stabbed to death outside a Popeyes restaurant, the fast food chain's chicken sandwich.
One of the males became enraged, pulled a pistol, demanded a chicken sandwich.
With all this violence, I thought it time I stepped up and taught the people how to make their own damn chicken sandwich. You know how the saying goes. Catch a fish for a guy he eats for a day. Teach him how to catch a fish. And guess what? He gonna be dead cause ain't nobody fishing in my damn lake. So the first thing we need is our bird. Now what came first, the chicken or the egg? Wrong. The egg is just a facade. Any real chef can see that. Alright, so I need to fillet this. So I'm just gonna give this the old alley-oop. Bring out the old trusty problem solver and... Now let's prepare our batter. So we need a decent sized bowl here. Then let's throw some flour in here, along with a spoonful of baking powder. But wait, there's more. Break off 2 baby chicks into another small container. I'm using a pot here. I'm too lazy to wash a bowl. Throw some milk in with that bad boy and proceed to... Oh yeah. There it is. Best ASMR action in my life. Woo! This is so exciting. Oh yeah, I need seasoning.
Samson!
Now be sure to season both your flour and your chicken so it's as flavorful as possible. If you're looking for extra spice, be sure to add some crushed red pepper. Now blend it all together in your flour bowl and prepare to dip your chicken. Now when we dip this chicken, we're just not gonna dip. We're gonna double dip, because that's how you get away with keeping the dip to yourself at parties. Rinse and repeat. When you're done, you will have what resembles donut holes on your fingers. And take it from me that these are not donut holes. Some people just need to learn the hard way. Throw your battered chicken into the freezer to help that batter stick to your chicken batter, and keep it in there for as long as it takes this oil to heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Celsius is for people without souls. Also, my doctor says I don't have the cereal capacity to do the math. Now it's time to prepare our sandwich hats. Now we're going to be toasting these, so we want to get a pan, nice and warm. While the pan is heating, coat it with butter and throw your sandwich hats in there. It should only take about 2 or 3 minutes for them to toast, so when that's done, just go ahead and put them to the side and get them ready for later. Looks like our oil is ready, so let's go ahead and get ready to drop that chicken in there. Alright, it's good. It's good. I can do this. This is no problem. No problem at all. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I swear to God, I can do this. Oh shit, they tried to kill me. So after panicking in a corner for 15 minutes, I came back to realize that the chicken is doing A-okay. When you've noticed that your chicken is beginning to look golden brown and nice, go ahead and grab those trusty tongs and click them for good luck and pull those dirty birds out of there. Now it's imperative, as soon as you pull them out of the hot grease, that you season it so that the seasoning sticks to your chicken better. Alright, so it's finally time to layer the sandwich. The way you want to do this is sandwich hat, mayonnaise, depression, chicken, pickle, top sandwich hat. If you're looking for a little bit more of an extra kick and you're out of spicy sauces in your cabinet like I am, you can throw some garlic and chili powder on top of your bun for an extra spice. Once you close your sandwich with a top hat, prepare to see everyone's faces drop in awe as they watch you consume all these sandwiches by yourself because they didn't risk their lives cooking it.